The NFP number is one of the most important labor statistics released out of the States on the first Friday of every month. And almost always creates some kind of tradable movement in the market, whether you're trading currencies, bonds, equities, commodities. There's almost always some opportunity you can get if the number is a little bit better or worse than expected. We're going to watch it particularly closely today because of all the speculation of QE tapering by the Fed. So a number that comes in better than expected could lead to a speculation that the Fed starts tapering their bond buying program earlier than expected, which would lead to a stronger dollar and sell-off in the gold price. And a number worse than expected could result in a weaker dollar and a stronger gold price. Now yesterday, initial jobless claims came out. It was a lot better than expected. And the gold price fell sharply. So we're going to be watching the gold price and the gold miners very closely for their reaction to this non-farm payroll number for a potential trading opportunity. Now, if we have a look at the stocks we have up on the screen here, on the left we have Goldfields. You can see that sharp drop that they had. This is a 5-minute chart. You can see the sharp drop that they had on the initial jobless claims number. Same with AngloGold. We had that same drop, and it's been consolidating for the last little while. Goldfields, you can see down 5% on the day. AngloGold, we can see down here 2.7% on the day. So they've both taken a beating today, both in firm, longer-term downtrends as well. And then right in the middle there, you can see we've got the gold price. We're going to be watching that when the number comes out. And then right in the bottom right-hand corner, we have our economic releases page, which shows the non-farm payrolls expected at 185,000. That's about 4 down. So we've been watching this number very closely. So let's roll the tape and see what happens. Okay, so here we're watching Goldfields. Goldfields 56.36 bid, 56.57 on the offer. AngloGold 126.21 on the bid, 126.25 on the offer. So we're going to be watching this very closely. As soon as this number is released, we're going to try and get involved. As I say, if the number comes in better than expected, then we could see a sell-off in the gold price. If it comes in worse than expected, then we want to be buying these gold stocks for a rally. And then if we see the gold price there, 1287, the number is going to be released in about 10 seconds time, so we've been watching very, very closely. We've got our fingers on the trigger. And there it is released. It's come in a lot worse than expected, which should have a big rally in the gold price. Here we can see this gold price rallying. It's just rallied $15 in a straight line. Goldfields is busy rallying here, but there's still opportunity to lift. Definitely worth lifting at these levels. AngloGold as well. There's still an order in there. You can see there's a guy reloading. Definitely worth lifting here. 126.53, 126.58. We should see a pop out of these miners now. The gold price has already run at $25. There it is. Goldfields 57 on the bid. It's already bounced 1% almost. AngloGold seller still seems to be around, so I think this is a great opportunity to be lifting AngloGold. We can start seeing some buyers stepping in there. Goldfields already gave us a great opportunity. That's a quick 60 cents or 80 cents now, 57.30 on the bid in no time. AngloGold 127 steps up on the bid. Gold price at 1304 now. So the gold price would have been a difficult one to get hold of, with so many market participants, entering into that trade at the same time. So that would have been a very difficult one to catch. But there's definitely opportunity to get into Goldfields. 57.41 now. There really was a quick ran there. Even a few seconds after the number came out, there's a lot of opportunity to lift. AngloGold 127.24 on the bid. Now these miners actually, even though they've had a big bounce, I wouldn't be surprised for them to follow through here.